Hi everyone, myself MD Aslam. With me there is Mursaleen and Jubair. We're gonna talk about Peacon's IT project management. First of all, we'll have introduction of Peacon's IT project management. With assistance from Peacon team members, we would want to suggest an IT project for Peacon that will add an online reservation system on the Eagle's iTechnology website. In order to assure online reservation and information mining for targeted promotion, the project will integrate a new website with Peacon's current booking and client database organizational chart. This chart shows the rules that each member plays in the organization. Then we're gonna talk about the structure chart for Peacon's IT organization. On top, we have executive officer Emeka Steven. With him, we have two senior user and one manager. The senior users are Jens Bice and Grace Moore, and the manager is Paul Johnson. Under project manager, we have two team leader. First of all, we're gonna talk about Miss Development Simon Nick, Peacon's IT manager, and the other one is Tim Cook, who is internal software development, Eagles Technology. In project assurance team, we have James Bice as a sales supervisor, Tim Jones as IT manager, Raymond, who will manage the account, Jack Lucas, who is Eagles Technology Quality Assurance Manager. After that, we're gonna talk about the structure. First of all, we have IT project management structure consists of three types: matrix structure, functional structure, and project structure. In the functional structure, the organization is segmented into specific departments where the employees directly report to the functional manager of a particular department. Where the problems are resolved with the department, it gives a clear line of authority. After that, we would like to talk about functional structure. Employees in project based organization report directly to the project manager for every assignment, with the only focus being on finishing the project and utilizing the resources at hand. Employees frequently feel as though they are working on disparate tasks, and a result employees face job uncertainty and maybe unemployment as a result of the team's dissolution when the project is finished. After that, employees in a matrix structure report to both the functional manager and the project manager, combining aspects of project based and functional organizations. This guarantees the effective use of resources and promotes improved teamwork and collaboration, with though it may lead a ambiguity over authority. After that, if we're gonna talk about the matrix structure of the Peacon IT project organizational chart incorporates aspects of both project based and functional framework. According to Simon Nick, Peacon's IT manager, on August 20, team members have two levels of reporting. They report to their functional manager for their specialized jobs and to project manager Paul Johnson from Eagles Eye Technology for project related tasks. This strategy guarantees the efficiency use of resources and promotes enhanced teamwork and communication. Additionally, it keeps a laser-like focus on accomplishing project objectives while making effective use of human and material resources, thus guaranteeing a balance between functional responsibility and the project success. After that, if we talk about the participation of the different stakeholders has an impact on information system development project success. These stakeholders are drawn from diverse departments within the organization and play a variety of roles and responsibilities that support the execution and growth of the project. The stakeholders are breakdown in detail below. If we have more stakeholders in different side so we can finish the project as early as possible and as accurate as possible. So the breakdown would be like this: the project's board members will be executive Emeka Steven, and the senior user will be Jens by senior supplier Grace Mo. And after that, the supervisors of team Eagles I Technologies team Cook to Peacon I team Simon Nick.
Okay.
So after that, I would like to ask you, Bert, to explain some more about the development team.
Okay, from now, I'm going to talk about development team. First of all, the development team of Eagles Eye Technology. Secondly, the Peacon development team. The project assurance team. Number one, Range Mond, the project management accountant. Number two, Tim Jones, the IT manager for project. Number three, James Foyk, the sales supervisor for the project. And number four, Eagles Eye Technologies, Jack Lucas, the project's quality assurance manager. Peacon's information system development projects SWOT analysis. There's two titles. One is advantage and the other is disadvantage. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the advantage. Number one, a solid reputation for the brand. Number two, a capable management group. Number three, robust cliently. Number four, Eagle Eye Technology Assistant. And there is some disadvantage I'm going to talk about. Number one, limited resources. Number two, the previous websites. Number three, Eagle Eye Technology partnership. And number four, internal IT team's lack of experience. And then the prospects. Number one, expanding business. Number two, online service demand. Number three, possibility of growing market share. Number four, improve client relation. And there are some dangers we're gonna face in this market. Number one, market competition. Number two, customer growing influence. Number three, the websites or online platforms of the suppliers. Number four, the new technologies risk. Number five, risk of implement, implementation. Now, the project proposal life cycle. Number one, synopsis of the project proposal life cycle. Number two, significance of methodical approach. Number three, succinct overview of Peacon's project. Initiation phase, specific the goal, parameters, and the viability, create a high-level business case. Include the following important parties: the project manager, senior management, sponsor, and the key stakeholder. Peacon's example, Rick Nelson's business case, and the founder's constant. The planning phase. Establish rules and responsibility and create a true project plan that includes schedules, resources, budget, and the risk management. The important play, players, stakeholder, consultants, experts, the project manager, and the project team. Paul Johnson's preparation and coordination as an example of Peacon. The execution phase. The team is in charge. Vendors, contractors, stakeholders, and the project manager are the main player in this project. Paul Johnson in the charge of the project's implementation in the Peacon case. Among his duties including career out of the project plan, leading the team, and delegating work and keeping an eye on the project advancement. So from now, I'm gonna try to share some information about this. Musalin.
Monitoring and controlling and closing phase. Project manager, project team, stakeholders, and quality assurance are key participants in the monitoring and controlling phase. Performance tracked, adjustments are managed, and risks are addressed. Using Paul Johnson's monitoring and assurance team as an example, Peacon's closing phase entails completing deliveries, gaining permissions, and concluding the project. It also involves doing a post-project review and involves key participants, including the project manager, project team, stakeholders, and sponsor. Using Paul Johnson as an example, Peacon is in charge of close and final reviews, initiating and planning process group in project management, an outline of the process group and knowledge areas, the significance of planning and initiating in project management. For initiating the process group, we need to talk about the goal, the important knowledge domains, project charter development for project integration management, and the managing project stakeholders. Next. Uh, Planning process group, we need to talk about the goal. We need to specify the goal project goals, procedures, and scope. For the project integration management, we need to create the project management strategy and coordinate all project related tasks and procedures. Planning and defining the project scope, obtaining requirements, establishing specific goals, and development the work. Breakdown structures like WBS are all components of scope management. Planning process group, schedules, and cost. Schedule management create a schedule, specify task, order task, calculate duration, and plan. Cost management like budget, estimate, and plus plan expense. Proof for the planning process, community, resources, and quality. Quality control. Make a quality plan. Planning and estimating activity resources are two aspects of resource management. Managing communities, communications, organize your communications, stakeholders, process and risk planning process group. Risk management includes risk identification, planning, risk response, and qualitative and quantitative risk analysis. Parsing management, organize parsing, stakeholder management, arrange for involvement. And here is the reference we used